Hello, thanks for joining me. Let's see what's happening on the weather front over the next week or so. And after the brief spell of sunny and crisp weather on Sunday, it's back to wind and rain in the outlook. I think from Sunday, the weather will start to go downhill, and certainly by Monday, unsettled conditions across most of the UK. Here's the low pressure and the weather fronts out towards the west, early hours of Sunday morning, just about creeping into southwestern parts of England, Wales, also Northern Ireland, and then through the day that weather front will make its journey northwards. Now the morning across the north of the country is looking cold and crisp, a touch of frost here and there, but in the southwest it's much milder with all the cloud, the wind and the rain. 10 degrees in fact early in the morning in Plymouth. So here it is, early in the morning, that weather front crossing Northern Ireland, Wales, just about nudging into Merseyside, through the Midlands. North of that, it's a different picture. In fact, around about midday, 11 o'clock midday, still plenty of sunshine for northern, central Scotland, lowlands too. The North Sea coast generally clear, but out towards the west, thicker cloud. Now, you'll notice that sort of definitive areas of rain here, so it certainly won't be raining all the time. In fact, some gaps in the rain too, and there could be a bit of sunshine around. I think particularly sort of this back edge of the weather front come the evening will bring some clearer skies there to parts of Wales and southwestern England, and quite a temperature contrast. 15 in Plymouth with those Atlantic winds after the cold nights in Aberdeen, only around 7 the high on Sunday. So here's the big picture then across the North Atlantic and Europe on Monday. It's a large area of low pressure, a weather front sweeping across the UK, strengthening winds, could be gale force winds around some of the coasts, western coasts in particular, blustery inland too. With Atlantic winds, of course, it's going to turn a little bit milder, so 13 to 15 in the south of the country, but still single figures in the north. And then Tuesday, well, it's multiple areas of low pressure across our latitudes and further weather fronts sweeping our way. So I think on Tuesday, rather than continuous rain, it is going to be, well, a story of continuous showers, if you like, and there'll be quite a few of them carried on an Atlantic breeze, but in between always some sunshine, temperatures again with that Atlantic air, typically around about 13 to 15 in the south, still holding on to single figures in the north. Now the next area of low pressure arrives on Wednesday. This could be particularly wet, in fact, persistent heavy rain heading towards us. Very early in the morning, could actually be bright or sunny across, well, many parts of the country, but then through the morning into the afternoon, it looks as though that heavy rain will spread into Wales, the south of England too, and it is going to be a wet one, whereas in the north, a mixture of thicker cloud and occasional showers. Again, 13 in the south, around about 9 or 10 in the north. Now, briefly, we will see incursions of high pressure towards the end of the week. That does mean that some stage there will be some sunshine around, but then another large area of low pressure develops in the Atlantic and will send further wind and rain. So yeah, it's November. It's going to stay very autumnal in the coming days. You can see rain icons for most places through the course of the week. Perhaps a hint of something dry and brighter towards the end of the week there, but that's still a long way off. That's it from me. Bye-bye.